Orúkọ mi ni Israel, mo Bọ́lájí Tèmítáyọ̀ ọdún ayọ̀ Olúwafẹ́mi Owólabí Adesanya, ọmọ ọba ni mí.
Guys, welcome back to this channel. I keep going you lolly for pata pata. If UFC 287 they easy, my brother go on. Congratulations to Israel Adesanya. Israel Adesanya, no be for you, no be for any man. Most of the things we be say in Gada talk, be say never give up. He said many times we say they don't knock on down. He say look down one in for never win this championship. My people, Israel Adesanya don't climb this mountain and the joy overflow, reaching how he take express his name to the world. He say him be Israel Owólabí Mobolaji Temitayo Odun Ayo Oluwafemi. Na so he take express himself on top of this joy wey he no fit explain. Na so e be. If you truly win some things wey be say e don dey your heart, wey be say you never give up. Once the victory happen like this, you got to remember those names wey be say your ancient father and every other person don't give you. The 33 years old UFC champion man Israel Adesanya, he even talk and say him be omoba, and I need to see the way he take emphasize that Adesanya, he called it with boldness. That's to tell you that Adesanya, he don't ever talk and say he go win this, and this is like a reality to him. He said no, we no be the saying that this one be the end. Say make una they expect more. Say he ready to knock down as many as possible. Make una don't forget, he even thought say he when they interview him, my people, make una see the way Adesanya, he see the person way say he conquer, the person way don't they win the championship before, as immediately he see him.
Bro, I'm telling you, even no matter what, Alex is a great champion. No matter what, he lost the belt tonight, but he will always be a champion. In his story, I'm the antagonist. In his story, I'm the bad guy. But tonight, it's my story. History.
He got to tell the press when the interview and say make it calm down, just calm down. I need to see this man, because he knows that yes, so the fight not be easy one. No, if you now watch the live fight and I go see that Adesanya, he get that confidence to the face that guy. You know what I'm saying? Now as in they face he dey sure for him. Maybe like say person we don't know say he want great, he go don't see him, and then he chose to focus on that vision and he hit him, and then hey my people, as I know now, I need to see the joy. The proud Nigerian championship of UFC 287 is here to make you all know. So him be omoba, as in they measure all in names, more than 5 or 4 names when he mention Israel Temitayo Owólabí Omo Adesanya. He say him be king picking. Make una know over and rate him. Say make una know even underestimate him. He they proud of the kind of Nigerian blood where they flow for him body. Oh my people, make watch this one. Don't forget, now this channel where they bring on us, they go no be only entertainment, all wide around sports and every other channels. My people, make we hear your opinion for the comment section. How do you think Adesanya pronounces his name using Yoruba?
Orúkọ mi ni Israel, mo Bọ́lájí Tèmítáyọ̀ ọdún ayọ̀ Olúwafẹ́mi Owólabí Adesanya, ọmọ ọba ni mí. This one no be on Mali. My people, make we watch. My people, don't forget, make we hear your opinion. Share the video in as much as possible. We love you guys. See you on another one. Alright my people, thank you for watching that short clip from this channel. We'd love to see you on our next one. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get more notification when we upload new videos. We will also like you if you find the video on this channel always informative. Do well to what? Like and share. Share them as much as possible. Maybe people are supposed to see them, maybe they see them, because if you feel life for your hand, maybe say people are supposed to see them, now you be their savior where they need to see them. Do well to share them as long as possible, as many as possible. Just they share them. As I know, saying that this channel will bring on the latest and trending news as they happen. Now will they bring them, most especially for Nigeria. As I know now, make them not forget. Click on the notification bell. Follow us for more, and let's say your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion will be waiting. They paramount and they hot. They bring you. See you on our next one. Bye for now.